We can see then what this preeminent virtue of wisdom in this early period of philosophy was. It was the order moved inside your head. And to put it that way is to convey the idea that this is not knowledge as we understand it. It is not knowledge of, but participation in. To believe of what is beautiful, that it is beautiful, is a part of wisdom. It is to be aligned within to the order, as it is. If we ask, what is philosophy about? The question may seem hard to answer. But ask this about medicine instead. What is medicine about? First, it is a kind of knowledge. Then it is the application of that knowledge to accomplish an important job. We call it important because our lives depend on it. Well, our lives depend upon philosophy too, because without it, we are at cross purposes with the order. Your life, no less than your body, may suffer disease. You therefore have the pair of theory and practice, specifically connected with life. This knowledge or understanding is theoria. The practice, in Greek praxis, is living in accord with it. What has to do with life is practical. The analogy of philosophy with medicine is very close, and you can see this in this pairing of theory and practice. A tetradrachm from the lifetime of Socrates. It shows Athena, the goddess associated with wisdom. Why is the consort of Athena a giant-eyed owl, the symbol of wisdom? Note the crescent moon at its shoulder. The owl lives in darkness. When it becomes dark for us, the owl can still see. The owl has no darkness. The prevalence in ancient cultures of images of light and darkness, seeing and blindness, life and disease, a condition destructive of life, all have the concept of wisdom woven into them. 21st century life has no conception of wisdom. There is no darkness, only evil, the evil of others. There is impracticality, things that are not expedient or good, like damage to the climate. There are only unwise acts in that sense. To try to do without the concept of wisdom, as we now are doing, is to have opted to erase these divisions. It is to equate light and dark in many areas, not all, and to stop fighting things that were called disease. It is to take the charge off life, positive and negative. But philosophy, as the pursuit of wisdom, is driven by a high sensitivity to the possibility that we are shrouded in darkness. We need wisdom to see the light in this darkness. It is really worth considering further the contrast here with the outlook of the present day.